Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So, let's open this up. That's weird. Why is it taped? Okay, well. Okay, I've got it open now. So, let's get the pieces out, the bags. I wonder how many bags there are. And, Wait, was that supposed to happen? Okay, well here is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. It's a very cool race car. You can open the windshield. There's a race car driver inside. And this actually has a lot of cool sticker prints. And the design is just really cool, like a lot of other Speed Champions. And it's got a cool spoiler in the back. This was very fun to build. All the Speed Champion sets, like, they have these cool door designs. Like, look how cool this is. Like, even the stickers are placed in, like, a cool way. And yeah, this is a really cool set. They even put tiling and stuff in the bottom. So, they basically put detailing on stuff that most people won't even need to see. But yeah, this is a very cool set.